Hi everyone, my name is Madison Espiritu and I was a class of 2020 RUI Limitless intern. During my internship, I was the Espiritu coordinator intern, learning from professionals all throughout Virginia. I spent my summer traveling to different communities, learning the best practices of memory care, and working on my legacy project, which was the Espiritu Manual Part 2, which is currently being used to onboard team members in both our Florida and Virginia communities. Through my internship, I was able to develop my personal and professional skills and gained experience in a leadership role. If you're interested in applying to the RUI Limitless Intern Program, I would highly recommend it because I know I wouldn't be where I am today without the skills that I've learned through this program. After my internship, I accepted a full-time management position as the Espiritu coordinator for 2 communities and have just recently been promoted to the RUI University coordinator supporting our Southern Virginia communities.